Kia ora guys and welcome to a flip video. Today we are learning how to proofread. Let's get into it. How do you proofread your work? What strategies do you currently use? Have a think about that. Maybe share it with the person next to you. Proofreading. Proofreading is an important stage in the writing process. Proofreading means checking your work for errors in punctuation, spelling and sentence structure. It is sometimes tricky to see errors in your own writing, so proofreading can be very difficult sometimes. Proofreading strategies. Proofreading your writing is very important, but it is trickier than it sounds. When you read your writing, your eye sometimes sees what it should have written rather than what is actually on the page. Now, we're all guilty of this. This means that you need to find different ways of forcing yourself to spot the errors in your writing. There are 3 awesome strategies that you can use. The first one is read your writing out loud. The easiest way to proofread is to read your writing aloud. This way, you will often notice when a word or sentence doesn't sound quite right. The most common things to look out for are mistakes with punctuation. You can often hear these if you speak the text out loud. Number 2, read your writing backwards. Reading backwards is especially good for spotting spelling errors. Reading your text backwards, word by word, can sometimes help you to notice spellings because it forces you to look at each word in isolation or each word by itself. Number 3, proofreading for just one kind of error at a time. Perhaps you already know what kind of mistakes you are likely to make, so begin by looking out for these. Or give yourself a proofreading routine. Begin with punctuation and capital letters, then sentence structure, then think about spelling. Focus on one thing at a time. Remember guys, always proofread your mahi.